solving quadratic equation by using formula. Which formula? If ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, it should be x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide 2. But why using formula? Why not by using factorization? Look, here is a line. The above formula for solving quadratic equation is usually used when the quadratic expression cannot be factorized easily. So x square plus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. Today's question we cannot factorize easily. That's why we are following quadratic equation in general formula. So now we will convert this ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 to x square plus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. Now let's get started. Here we can write here a equals to 1, then b equals to 4 is a coefficient of x, b equals to 4 because 4 is a coefficient of x, and finally c, it means constant 1. Now we will put this value, it means x equals to minus b minus 4 plus minus root over b square, it means 4 square, minus 4 times a means 1 times c means also 1, divide 2 times a means 1. So here will be minus 4 plus minus root over 4 square, it means 16, minus 4 times 1 times 1, it would be 4, divide 2 times 1 is a 2. So here we get minus 4 plus minus root over 16 minus 4 is 12, divide 2. So here now we can write if positive, then what will happen? X equals to minus 4 plus root over 12 divide 2. Again, if negative, that case x equals to minus 4 minus root 12 divide 2. Now here minus 4 plus root 12 is a 3.64. It's approximate value, so we can use 2 decimal number, divide 2. Now minus 4 and plus 3.64, result will be what? 0.36. We can write minus 0.36 divide 2, so it will be minus 0.18. right? You should cross check, right? Next, if negative, so here is minus 4 minus root 12 is a similar value 3.64 divide 2. So here will be minus 4 and minus 3.64, it will be minus 7.64 divide 2. Now look, we can write minus 7.64 divide 2, so it will be what? 3.82 minus 3.82. So here is 2 value, minus 3.82 and minus 0.18. So finally we can say x equals to minus 3.82 or minus 0.18. I hope you understand this one. Just keep memorize. First we have to try to solve by factorization. If not, that time we will use this formula. So please subscribe my channel MathJip. You will get lots of things from this channel for grade 9 to 10 IGCSE set algebra. Thank you.